this is Angelo with the second part of energy. Last time we learned about mechanical and hydraulic energy. This time we're learning about electromagnetic.
Through the use of?
Through the use of solenoid.
What does the solenoid go to?
The solenoid goes to the
sprinklers. Show me where they hook onto the sprinklers.
They hook onto the sprinklers right down there.
Point to it.
Right here.
That one.
That one.
I can't see in the sunlight. There.
Yeah.
And that screws off. And we're going to screw the new one on, but not in the video.
Yeah.
Okay.
Solenoids are electromagnetic. Here is the drawing of the inside of a solenoid.
Tell me parts. What parts are
As
in
you
here?
see here, the blue is the piston, and the red up here is the electric wiring.
It's
The
tilting.
gray thing that looks like a spring is the coil winding.
What does a coil do?
The coil, when the electricity
Goes through
it, it makes the piston go up. The coil acts like a magnet and
moves the piston.
moves the piston. Here's another example of coil and piston.
Well, what happens when you put electricity on the coil?
When you put electricity on the coil, it pushes the piston up.
It acts like a
magnet.
That's how it gets electromagnetic, and it pulls the piston up.
Here's an actual lawn sprinkler solenoid.
Okay, what's that sticking out of the top?
This is the
Pull it out.
piston and coil.
No, the coil's inside here.
The coil is inside.
That's the piston and the spring. Okay, put it back on. What happens when electricity goes through these wires?
When electricity goes through these wires, it pushes this up and lets the water flow through.
It pulls it down.
It pulls it down.
And the water goes through.
And the water goes through.
The electricity charges the what inside of there?
The electricity charges the coil inside of there.
And it acts like a
magnet.
Magnet, so it's electromagnetic. So here's an example of
Electromagnetic energy
through the use of our
sprinkler solenoid. And that's electromagnetic energy.